To download Prizepicks on your iPhone, start by opening the App Store application. You can find the App Store icon on your home screen. It is a blue icon with a white A inside. Tap on the App Store icon to open it. Once the App Store is open, tap on the Search tab at the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to search for the Prizepicks application. Type Prizepicks into the search bar and select the application from the search results. On the Prizepicks application page, you will see a button that says Get. Tap on the Get button to begin the download process. If you have not previously downloaded an application from the App Store, you may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID or Face ID to authenticate the download. After you have authenticated the download, the Prizepicks application will begin to download and install on your iPhone. This process should only take a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, the Get button will change to an Open button. Tap on the Open button to open the Prizepicks application. You will then be able to create an account or log in to an existing account to start using the application. It is also a good idea to enable notifications for the Prizepicks application, so you can stay up to date with the latest news and promotions. To do this, open the Settings application on your iPhone. Select the Notifications option, and then select the Prizepicks application from the list of available applications. By following these steps, you can easily download and install the Prizepicks application on your iPhone. Remember to always download applications from the App Store, as this will ensure that you are downloading a safe and legitimate version of the application.